So we just got to go ahead, drop it in place just like we're putting a battery in. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Fit Power AC power adapter for my Panasonic G7 camera. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to you in a nice and simple retail box. This is a power adapter for your camera to give you uninterrupted and continuous power so you no longer have to worry about battery life. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your user manual complete with setup instructions and product information. Next, you can see we have our AC adapter. So it's got a nice long cord for us. Then we have our power cord right here. So you can see this end will plug right into the wall and this end will plug into the AC adapter. And then last but not least, we have our DC coupler right here, what I'm calling the fake battery. So you'll insert this into the camera and then we'll plug this end into the AC adapter. So we can look at this in more details. DC coupler, so you can see what it's for, made in China. There's the 4 contacts, just like your typical camera battery, but we just have this cable running through it. Now let's go ahead, let's get this set up. Installation's very simple and straightforward. So we have the power cord plugged into a power supply, which is plugged into the AC adapter, which is then plugged into the DC coupler right there, which is what you stick into your camera. So we have a Panasonic G7 right here. So we just got to go ahead, drop it in place just like we're putting a battery in. And now technically we're ready to go, but I want to show you guys that right now we can't lock the lid. But what's nice is Panasonic designed this camera in a way, and probably your camera as well, so we can remove that flap to run the cable down, and now we're free to lock it back up, just like we'd have a battery in there. So now we can go ahead, we can power on the camera. So let's see if it turns on. There we go, it works great. You may notice too, we don't even have a battery icon anymore. So let's go ahead, let's snap a picture. Just snapped a picture. Now we can go ahead, we can take some video. So let's take some video. There we go. We're recording 4K video right now. Everything's working great. I'm really impressed. And now I have continuous power with this Panasonic G7 camera to record longer. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.